Sí, que me invitaron a
Tu tocayo.
Actually, the art of music is the art of speaking with its spontaneous quality.
D flat.
G,
D.
D flat, D flat, E flat, E flat 1, D flat 1,
D flat 7.
D flat 7. To what? To D flat. To what? To D flat. D flat 7. G flat. The red here is two notes here. It's either C sharp or C natural. Well, what? One of those. D flat what?
D flat 7.
D flat 7.
En nombre de todos, muchísimo, que sean felices, tú también, pero hoy es el día del maestro, así que le damos.